Everyone always wants to start calisthenics, but can you handle the pressure that comes with it? You might not know what I mean right now, but let me tell you a story of what happened today, and you can decide and make the decision, is this gonna be worth it? So I woke up thinking this is just gonna be another school day. No, it wasn't. I got ready, took a shower, put my clothes on. My father drove me to school. I had a few subjects. Then it was break. Out of nowhere, this guy came to me. He said, "Do the handstand, do the press, do the handstand push up." And I was like, "Okay, I'll do it for you, but I'm not warmed up. So there might be a chance that I cannot do it right now." This is the part that takes balls. I knew something could go wrong. There's always something that can go wrong, but I still did it. So I go down. I put my hands on the ground and I press into the handstand. It went really well. Of course, I did the rep. Then I also did a handstand push up. I held the handstand for a while. Then he finished, he actually recorded me with my phone. When I looked back, he turned the phone around and I just saw all the people around me staring. All of them, the whole grade was staring at how I did this skill. You might be saying, bro, that's awesome. I want that. That's the cool thing about calisthenics. You impress people, you show them what you are made of. But there's pressure. Can you handle all of those eyes? Later that day, I'm not done with my story. In math, people said, okay, we saw your Instagram. It's Eckhart Hutton, by the way. We saw your Instagram. Show us. Show us the handstand. First, I was like, do I really have to? But then I got hyped up through the class and I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna go do the handstand. My first kick up failed. The second one, I got the handstand. A teacher came from behind and she just stared at me as I was there. But here's the thing, before I did the handstand, this is the part I want to get to. The whole class was looking at me. Everyone turned their face in my direction, took their phones out, and I had to go perform. That is pressure. You need to learn how to handle eyes on you if you want to do calisthenics. At first, it's not going to be that bad, I have to be honest. I didn't really have to perform that much. And if I did in public, it wasn't that bad. I would do it in the gym. I remember I was with my girl at a restaurant and there was this child play area and my bad, car went past. There was this play area. I would just do handstand there, do handstand push up, look up, people were looking. Yeah, it's fine. But can you handle many eyes when all the focus is on you, not just casual and you impress people, when the focus is on you? You might be sitting here thinking, bro, it's not that bad. It's like, I would like if people stare at me. Then start calisthenics. You get to impress people. You literally, eyes are on you. You are the center of attention. People still come to me. Bro, we saw your Instagram. Insane, insane work. Well done. Every day. I get that literally every single day. If you do not want all the attention, all the pressure, and like I said, all the eyes on you, literally, don't start calisthenics. Go lift weights, go build muscle. But if you want to be the center of attention, if you want to impress people, if you want to impress yourself with the skills, if you want to prove to yourself what you can do, then calisthenics might be for you.